Hello, this is Misty with a unique treasure. Welcome, everybody. I wanted to come on here real quick while I'm just slaving over here. Just kidding, making projects. I'm working on so many things right now, but I'm so excited. And my journal came in that I ordered from Cindy T. Cinty, excuse me, Cindy, and then T. You must go to her channel. She is so awesome and she's so wonderful to listen to. I let her videos just run. I even will replay them because I just love how she simplifies everything and she's so easygoing and it's just really nice to watch her and her personality is just wonderful. So before this gets too long, this is the journal that I ordered. I seen it before I even seen the flip through. I did see the cover when I the verse. If I could talk today again, when the video first came on, I just seen the cover and I just didn't even wait to see the flip through because I knew that I would want it. So I went ahead and just went down into the description, clicked more, found her Etsy link, went right to it, and bada bing, bada boom. I went ahead and just purchased it. I just think it's so cute and it's so different from, the things you see that other people use. I mean, we all use beautiful digitals, but these are really unique, and they make me think of dolls from the past, and I just really love it. So she specializes in dolls, and she didn't say that. I'm saying that because she has a lot of dolls. I never have been to her Etsy store that she sells other digitals that have dogs. I can't even explain it. You'd have to go see it yourself. But I will put her link in my description. So this is one of the cutouts that she makes little dolls with. And then this is just astounding. I mean, I didn't make this. I only can tell you that, she used just beautiful stuff here, and I'm sure you can see it. This is my second time going over it. I did make a video already once, so some of the stuff might be not placed back into the spots that she had it. But I just wanted to show, I'm going to open this and it's just beautiful. And for those of you who love blue like I do, um, this is just a stunning journal. She did make these too. You have to just go check out Cindy T and look at the flip through of this. She'll explain more things. But she made these and she showed you how she made them and she dipped them in cinnamon stuff. I haven't, went back and did it yet because I'm just so crazy doing stuff over here. And they smell so good. So when I opened up this package, oh my goodness, it smells so, so good. And they still smell really good. And so let's go ahead and open up the first page or the beginning of the book. Look how beautiful. I'm not gonna pull everything out because it's ephemera, it's just a paper piece. It's just, I don't want to say it's just, but I want to just really focus on the whole book together and not just piece for piece. She put a bag in here. This is a bag. And of course, we all love the noise of the bag. And another one of her beautiful images. And here is just another, I love this out here because it just flows. The colors, the tans, the creams, and pinks dropping everywhere. And I love that she ripped the pages. This is really beautiful. I auto-nude. I had to redo the video because I really sounded silly because I was just like a little bitty girl. So I thought I better just come back on while I had my act together a little bit more and just, show you. So here's, a beautiful tag. I just love all this blue. And these images here, I don't know if they're hers or if they came from Sam Pool. I'm not sure. Um, this reminds me of Sam Pool stuff, but I don't know. It's just a stunning image. Let me make sure I'm still in the frame here. Here's another couple beautiful pages. This paper is stunning. And then this is a flip up. I just get my ideas because she really lets her paper work for her. On the other hand, I'm more of a put lace and do something with paper, folding it and stuff like that. So it's just a really neat, and this, I keep wanting to flip this over and it's not a flip over, it's like a tuck. So, and there was something in here and I don't know where it is. I actually took this book and left it with my mother in her room because she wanted to go through it. And I'm going to have to go back and see because it's not in any of this here. I went through it. And let's see, this feels kind of, I don't know if this moves. I don't want to do anything crazy here. That Look at this. This is so pretty. I love that color. That's sage. And it says good luck, which I always need good luck. Actually, I got a lot of, oh, I did, I really wanted to take that off, but I'm afraid it's going to get ruined. So let me put this back down. I don't know why I have to pick it back up anyway. I'm so afraid you guys aren't going to see how beautiful this is. And so here is, I like this, count your blessings. Love, love that. You see my sign blessed. I have all kinds of that stuff around. I just have a lot of positive sayings around my room here. I keep it very, very positive. When I'm working, I listen to, very positive music. I love Lauren Daigle. And here is these are just stunning. These remind me, I went to Paris with my mom and the images that I see come out of there. Just this is how this reminds me, besides the Louvre, of course, they don't have that kind of stuff. This is so pretty. And look how she's done this. So she's really used this really well. I love this. I'm into mixed media big time and I want to really expand that part of my channel. Um, and I want to have you grow with me in that. So we're not afraid to pull out those Tim Holtz braids and maybe use it for something shabby. Who knows, right? It doesn't always have to be steampunk or vintage, that kind of thing. That dark, just brown vintage, even though I do love that too. I'm not stuck on any one thing, but I do favor shabby vintage. I think I do that best. But I have done a steampunk swap, things like that. Look at this, just the little details here. I mean, who would have thought? I would not think to layer this with this, stick these here on top of what looks like denim, and then put a piece of, looks like washi, maybe that's part of the paper, I'm not sure, and then the string from the denim. That is so cool. I love it. Lots of details. Lots and lots of details. Isn't this a beautiful image? Love it. And look at her little flowers. It looks like she took that, oh no, this feels kind of furry. There was another one, but I don't know. I know she had to make those flowers. They're amazing. And here is some more little beautiful images. Now, these kind of things I do want to show you guys because those are not anything I've seen before. I just love her work. I love this. I'm going to be a very good customer for her because, I mean, even though I can make stuff, I I usually, my stuff sells into like I have Etsy and I can't even promote it because I can't keep it filled because I'm not a fast crafter. So when I do make something, soon as somebody sees it, they want it before I can get it in my store. So it looks like I never put anything in my store. I'm not saying that I'm the best, guys. I will tell you I'm the slowest. I wish I could craft faster, but I can't. There's a lot of reasons for that. But look, so you have all that beautiful stuff, right? And then you have all this room to write, to put pictures. I use my journals. I don't let them sit. I definitely use them. And this is a flip out here. Flip up, flip out, flip over. There you go. And then here we go. These beautiful images again. They look like little Polaroids. Let me put that in there. And then I'm going to flip this over. Here's some more beautiful paper. I love this image. Look at that. Who wouldn't want that room? I want that room. I'll take it any day. And then you flip this up for a little secret writing spot. Ta-da! I love it. I do. I really love it. Look at this and all this cute little stuff down here that she's layered. And then on this page, she's made a really cute little dangle. Look at that flower. And also, this is also. I thought that was that part of that page. It's not. I love this. I've seen this a few places. This pattern. This is really unique. I love how she did this. I always try to capture. something like of this design when I'm creating things. If I put a squirrel, something on paper, I will try to find something else that kind of goes with that. And that's how I feel. I feel like this goes with this part of the bathtub. Maybe I'm strange. I don't know. I love it. Guest check. Here you go. I'm inviting you to the bathroom of your dreams, and then you have to pay. Fitting. I don't know. I'm kind of crazy today. And then it's a really, look at that. That's really pretty. That is so pretty with the angels and the love. Just, it's so pretty. And you did an excellent, excellent job. I love this. This is oh, wait a minute. What do I do? Okay. This flips up and this flips down, I'm sure. No, it's a pocket. No, what is it? Oh, it just flips up. Okay. And then here we go. This is some more pretty, pretty stuff. Over here. Lots to do in here. It's like you go from one little world to another. Boom. It's a whole nother scene. I just love it. I love how when people make scenes. How pretty. She gave me some really pretty ephemera. And then here's some cards. Wish. You better believe I wish I was in these worlds here that you created. Look how pretty that is. I know maybe you guys aren't into this. I don't know. I think everybody would be because it's just beautiful. But I just love it. I really love it. I'm sure I've been saying that all along. You guys got this message. Okay, so this was supposed to be, let's see, how's this going? This is supposed to go here. Okay, so here we go. And then, oh, there was a clip here, I believe. I think it was clipped here. My mother must not have put it back. I don't know, but it's okay. I'll figure it out. And then this was nice. So then you flip this out here. Look how nice that is. Everything matches so beautifully. I love this. That is so gorgeous. And some more of these things here. That's a little fold out paper right there. She did a wonderful job. And then I stuck this in here. This was the goodie bag. It came with, she made these bags, by the way. She makes her own bags. What a great, great job. And then she gave me a bunch of beautiful pieces of cut aparts. I always want to say writing paper. And then we will go over here. And then this is one nice big sheet of, um, not sure, but it is a vintage paper, a copy of one. And then she made a couple pockets. So here's a little pocket back here, which I'm going to stick this in so the front pocket's not covered and I'll know to use it. Whoa, I just bumped the camera, sorry. And then look at the back. It's just stunning. So that is Cindy T's channel. Make sure that you go and check her out. And then talking about Etsy stores, I put together a couple packs of goodies. And I also, these are going to go up tonight, hopefully. Because my store has been sitting empty and I've been getting so many visitors to it, and it's just crazy. I do have my own website that I'm going to be sending my Etsy people over to because I've been paying for that yearly, and it's a beautiful site, and I just never switched it because Etsy has been so their traffic has been just crazy as far as how many visitors I get to my store. Now, these are going to be listed, and they're just beautiful packs here. I did have a blue piece of paper out like this one that would tell you what's in these packs. I don't know if you guys can. Oh, here we go. Here's one. This one is going to go this one. This one has, I'm going to kind of, I hate to even pull these out because I got them in there and I didn't want to pull them out. But I took some of my best stuff and put it together. I just want to show you one. I'm not going to show all of them out. I'm not going to pull all of them. So this one has antique French lace, 12 inches by 1 1/8 yards. 12 inches by 1 1/8 wide. Okay. I don't know. My notes are kind of weird. Cream scallop. This must be this. 12 inches and 2.5 wide. I'm not sure. Oh, that must be this one here. There's layers and layers of stuff under here. And then there's pink lace and flowers, 3 inches wide, 12 inches long. Includes 2 flowers, bling cameo piece, large piece of lace, 12.5 long, 4 inches wide. French lace, the widest is 24 by 1 3/4. Uh, I don't know. I wrote I don't know. Something lace, 1 yard, 1 inch. Oh, that's this one. This is 1 yard, 1 inch. I got this from somebody named Cherie. Yellow laced white, 14 inches, 14, wait a minute, 1 yard. Geez, I can't read my writing. 1 yard, almost 1 inch. So that's all in here. There's tons of stuff in here. So this is one of, one of the packs. They're a little different. Some of them are, have some of the same stuff, but a little different. And I will be listing them. Actually gonna go ahead and list them on my A Unique Treasures. I really need to make the move and get that store up and going. So it's auniquetreasure.shop. So that's and I'll list it down below. So those will be going in there too. I don't have nowhere to put these because I'm got stuff all around me. And these are they're folders that you can use for anything you want. Have their vellum over paper. Or no, they're not vellum over paper. I printed on the vellum and put it on paper. And then I put these together. Isn't it pretty? I love this. Okay. And then I decided, well, let's get them something. I got new stencils and new, I forgot what you call that stuff. And you know what that is. And then I don't want to say paste. And then this is just really pretty and stunning. I don't know. And I love this. But what I can do is slip this out. So these are also packs in here of stuff. It's been a while since I did this even. And there is, and this will all be listed. Everything that's in here is going to be listed and it's going to be listed in the listing. And so I just want to give you guys um, a heads up or that you can see it here. I love this one too. As you can see, wow, my video is going a little nuts. As you can see, I have different styles, so I can go from vintage to shabby, and I love this. So I hand put every single one of those on here, and I layered that. This is the back, and I just love these. So this is printed on vellum too, and then on paper, and then I put the Velcro on there, and then this has. They are all different. They're pink and whites, but they're all different. And I better close this video because it's acting crazy. I don't know what's going on. It's blinking on my screen, and so I hope it's not blinking on the screen for you guys. But a lot of you are doing challenges, you're doing things, and that's why I'm so crazy busy because I'm trying to do some of the journals I was doing on top of getting your challenges ready. So I'm so excited. There's going to be videos coming soon for y'all stuff too. And I'm just so thrilled about this giveaway that I'm doing because I am meeting so many new, amazing, wonderful people on top of the people that have been supporting me for a long time. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome, welcome. And you guys just have a blessed, wonderful day. You deserve it.